Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video. Free Fiverr course online. Subject CPA market, cryptocurrency, data analysis, data entry skill, day trading, drop shipping, email request, inter shipping, friends, financial analysis, financial management, Fiverr. Free online business tutorial. Learn how to make money. Fiverr free term tutorial bring guide Fiverr market and broker. 5 free tutorial in complete Fiverr course in Hindi do free Fiverr tutorials make money online work is home. Free Fiverr tutorial freedom with quick job freelancer on how to start business on Fiverr. How to use Fiverr selection freelancer career 11:10 provides way to earn money Fiverr hacks and learn 10 skill secret with 14 skill Fiverr freelancer on Fiverr because top retailer. Detail about Fiverr tutorial course when true love the Fiverr course available online with let's take Fiverr course. Learn Fiverr detail and Vikas Master Fiverr. Learn Fiverr free and course and free Fiverr tutorials online. Select course as collection on Fiverr course. This Fiverr course is online education provide fun tutorial training and practical knowledge. Fiverr course is category free discount offer after collection course tutorial different education provides filter suggest more Fiverr course tutorials. Don't think in Fiverr tutorial needed. Communicate now. Less Fiverr course opening 1st October 2021. University Department Designation Business Province Average course Python Photoshop Accountant Learn degree online JavaScript Blender Business Analyze Life choosing online Java After Effects Sales Heading Empty course United Reference Course Photoshop Marketing Sales Science Office Product Tips and Production Social Media Health Music for Game for best course is my channel. For subscribe my channel for latest machine updates to Fiverr course is launched my channel. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.